In this video, we will show the process of both the buyer and the seller electronically signing the contracts. So we have the buyer on the left and the seller on the right. So as you can see, the next step for the buyer is to electronically sign the forms. So this is going to pull up the DocuSign form, the form that was created in the earlier step. Again, it is verifying our location, and it's pulling up the purchase and sales contract. This is the contract that was completed by both the buyer and then accepted by the seller. And this is the step to actually sign the document. So we'll start. And there's the buyer's signature on the contract. And then on the escrow rider form, or the escrow order form. This is the escrow order form that was processed by the buyer and seller on the earlier step. And the buyer will sign that as well. And then finished. Document is signed successfully. And then you can see on the seller side that the agreement has been signed for the above property. Please proceed to sign the agreement. So on the seller side, you can see that the button turned yellow. We will electronically sign the form. And again, this is the same document from the seller perspective, the purchase and sales agreement. That would be signed by the seller. Okay, so we'll start the signatures. The seller would sign in their particular places. And finished. Document is signed successfully. As you can see by the button turning green. And then on the buyer's side, the agreement for the above property has been signed. Please proceed to the next step. So that is the process of actually signing the contract between the buyer and the seller.